Good morning everyone, we're here at Campuhan Ridge Walk in Ubud.
It's a short hike up, so let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, good morning everyone. Here's our trusted scooter. Just arrived at Campuhan Ridge Walk. This is the parking area over here. Heading down there. Let's go take a walk. Join us. So as you walk up here, you can see there's a temple here. Looks like it's locked, but nonetheless, that's what it looks like. All Balinese style temples, quite different from Thailand, Cambodia. Beautiful nonetheless. Let's go for a walk. And it's the race of the caterpillars. And now it's the race of the humans. So guys, just so you know, this walk is actually free. So one of the free things to do in Bali. Noreen has come prepared with her umbrella. And I'm sporting a hat and some shades. Wear some sunscreen, come equipped, and you're good to go. These are the views that you'll be greeted with. I actually reckon the best time to come is in the evening around 5 o'clock. It's a bit crowded, but less hot. And there's some villas and that over across there. If you guys can see, I'll try and get a better shot for you. Further up. Bit of an uphill here, but I have a diesel engine, so lots of torque, lots of pulling power, and economical. Noreen, what engine do you have?
What engine does a Ferrari have?
A good one.
Because I'm wearing red pants. My wheels are red. Oh, Ferrari's wheels aren't red. Never mind.
Shouldn't have asked. On we go.
I have a friend with that name.
Okay guys, so as you continue up the walk, you'll see there's a lot of cute cafes, a lot of art being displayed everywhere. So keep walking. We're going to be approaching some rice paddies. We are in Ubud, so stay tuned. Hello.
How are you? Good, and you? Good, thank you.
We like your stall, it's very pretty. And here are some popular tourist recommendations. If you guys are going to be spending some time in Bali, definitely check them out.
Are you guys
Hello.
from India? Yeah, we are.
Which part?
Pune, yeah, Mumbai.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
How-
How about you guys?
We're from South Africa. So everyone, if you're interested in changing money, you'll see these money changes are dotted all around the island. Right now in September 2024, we're looking at 15,400 Indonesian rupiah for $1 US. And those are the rest of the rates. Spend your money. Okay, so more of those pretty warungs, pretty cafes. We have the rice paddies on the right. So in Bali we have Balinese Hinduism, and this is Lord Ganesh, the remover of obstacles. And some more pretty cafes in the rice paddies. Agreed. You can use the pool here from 7 AM to 7 PM. And those are the prices. There's a pretty view of the rice fields. It has a bar, kitchen. Very nice. Hubbly bubbly from the looks of it. Infinity pool. But that's not what we're here for. get on with the exercise.